Welcome back to our channel. Today the Mahindra Supro Mini Truck 2025 is a powerful, fuel-efficient, and reliable commercial vehicle designed for small businesses and transporters. With an improved design, better mileage, and increased payload capacity, this mini truck is set to be a game changer in the light commercial vehicle segment. Mahindra has focused on delivering a vehicle that meets the growing demand for last-mile delivery solutions. The Supro Mini Truck 2025 comes with a 909cc direct-injection diesel engine, which produces 26 horsepower and 55 Nm of torque. This ensures a smooth driving experience, even when carrying heavy loads. The engine is BS6 compliant, making it an eco-friendly option with reduced emissions. Additionally, the mini truck offers excellent mileage, which helps businesses cut down on operational costs. One of the standout features of the Mahindra Supro Mini Truck 2025 is its impressive payload capacity of around 900 kilograms. This makes it an ideal choice for transporting goods such as groceries, construction materials, and other commercial products. The cargo deck is well designed to accommodate various types of loads, ensuring efficiency in transportation. The truck's build quality is robust, ensuring durability and longevity. The strong chassis and high ground clearance allow it to tackle rough roads with ease, making it suitable for both urban and rural areas. The suspension system is designed to handle heavy loads without compromising ride comfort, and the power steering ensures easy maneuverability even in congested streets. Safety has also been a priority in this model. The Supro Mini Truck 2025 is equipped with features such as a strong metal body, seat belts, and an improved braking system. The front disc brakes provide better stopping power, ensuring the safety of both the driver and the cargo. The cabin is designed to offer comfort and convenience for the driver. With an ergonomic seating position, ample legroom, and a user-friendly dashboard, long hours of driving become less tiring. The vehicle also includes modern features such as a digital instrument cluster and a well-placed gear shift lever for ease of use. Overall, the Mahindra Supro Mini Truck 2025 is a highly efficient and cost-effective solution for businesses looking for a reliable transport vehicle. With its combination of power, fuel efficiency, and safety, it stands out as a smart investment for those in the logistics and transportation sector.